Okay, the next things I want to teach you are core to all the Adobe products. So please practice these as much as you can until they become automatic. The first one is how to zoom in and zoom out and then move around while you're in a graphics program. So you can use the zoom tool. Come over here and click on the zoom tool. But I typically don't want to move over to a specific tool if there's a really handy, easy keyboard shortcut. So I'm typically using the move tool to move, objects around and resize them and do things like that. So if you hold Control and Spacebar on a PC or Command and Spacebar on a Mac, hold those down with one hand. So I'm right-handed, so my left hand is sitting on the keyboard and my pinky's on Control, my pointer finger is on Spacebar, and you'll notice that it turns any tool into the zoom tool. So you can see now there's a zoom tool. Now if I had, let's say I had the, one of the selection tools like the lasso tool, and I hold Control and Spacebar down, you can see it turns any tool into the zoom tool. Super duper important. Now when you do a single click, it goes in one move. Another single click, it goes in again. Or you can click and drag. Now it depends on how you have your preferences set up. Right now, if I click and drag, I can just kind of zoom in and zoom out. I'm dragging left and right, up and down, and it's zooming in and zooming out. Sometimes you'll have your preferences set so that you can click and drag a box around a specific area. It depends on how you have your preferences set up. Now, to zoom back out and automatically fit everything to the window is another keyboard shortcut. So that's Control-0. So that's a super handy one. So let's try that again. Hold Control and Spacebar down and zoom way into a specific area, and then Control and 0 to zoom back out. Let's try it again. Control and let's zoom into a different area. This time I'm going to zoom in over here. Now let's say you're zoomed in and you want to move around. You don't want to actually move the document, you just want to move your view. If you hold just Spacebar down, it turns into the hand temporarily, and it lets you move around. You can also use your wheel on your mouse to scroll up and down, and that's a really handy one. So Spacebar lets you move around, and then Control-0 lets you zoom out. So practice that, 10, 20, 30 times until those keyboard shortcuts become just, natural. Let's grab the move tool. So that's the four-headed arrow. Let's make sure we have show transform controls checked. Yours might look slightly different than this, but make sure that it's checked so we can see these little handles. And let's try resizing. If you are using Photoshop, the latest version, I have 2019, if you start moving this, notice how it forces it to be proportional. I can't make it, if I'm grabbing from the corner, I can't make it distorted. This, even from the side, is not letting me do it not letting me distort it. In order to distort it, you actually now have to hold Shift down. It's the opposite of what it used to be. So let's say you don't want to do something, I just did it, and oh no, I didn't really want to do that. Control-Z is undo. Another new thing is Control-Z, you can continue to hit Control-Z until you're back to the last thing that you did. So I'm going to hit Control-Z a bunch of times, and you can see I can go back to the beginning. So Control-Z is a great one. You can also go to Edit and Undo, and it looks like to redo, it's Control-Shift-Z. You can also go back here to your history, and you can see these are all the different things that I've done. So if I want to go back to where I was, I can just come back here and boom. So you can use the history to go to any step that you were in. If you don't see your history panel, you can always go to Window and click on History. Not histogram, but history, and that'll open it up. So make sure that you have these basic things down. You know how to zoom in temporarily. You know how to fit to the window, Control-0. If you're zoomed in, you know how to move around with the Spacebar. Gives you the hand tool. And then if you need to undo something, Control-Z. Those are really core things that everybody should know how to do in Photoshop.